Good morning, everybody. It's Adam of Valhalla Skål again today. We are going to be doing some fantastic smoked bologna. I'll take you through step by step. Super easy, super cheap, and absolutely delicious. All right, we have had our bologna thick sliced by our local butcher. About 3/8 of an inch thick. You want that good thick slice to really retain the moisture and be able to really soak up that smoke flavor. Taking a little bit of our Valhalla Skål seasoning. You don't have to do a whole lot, just a little sprinkle. Just like that on both sides. That right there is the good stuff. Now, we are going to go out to the smoker. We're going to put this on at 180 degrees for about an hour and a half. All right, we've got our pit boss set at 180 degrees. And we've also got a smoke tube down there in the bottom just to give it that little bit extra flavor. We're going to go straight on the rack with these. And we'll be back here in about an hour and a half to see what they look like. All right, been right at an hour and a half. Let's take a look and see what we got. Oh, those look beautiful. Boy, got some sesame seed buns. A little bit of Valhalla Skål blueberry ghost pepper. Just like that. Smear it around. Let's see what we got. Thanks again, everybody. We had a ton of fun making this, had even more fun and enjoyment eating it. Hopefully you can make this at your house and you can enjoy the same thing we are.
Skål!
Skål!